Hi, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to set up and use your CPAP Cleaner. First, unplug your heated hose from your BMC Luna G3. Make sure the opposite end of your heated hose is plugged in firmly with your mask. Next, take your CPAP cleaner. Plug the opposite end of the heated hose that isn't attached to your mask into your CPAP cleaner. Put your mask, heated hose, and your humidifier tank into the bag supplied. Zip the bag shut and press the power button on your CPAP cleaner to begin. Once finished, press the power button again to complete the sterilization process. When the sterilization is in progress, make sure you're not in the same room as your CPAP cleaner, as you don't want to breathe in the sterilization. Also, make sure you never plug in your CPAP cleaner directly into your CPAP machine. Mask, heated hose, and humidifier tank only. If you plug it into your CPAP machine, you can void the warranty and end up ruining your machine. I hope this video has been a great help for you today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.